Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Biometrics and Password. Now tap on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Following that, to enable or disable Raise to Wake feature, click on this square next to it and then tap on Get Started. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can adjust all of those options however you wish to, and tap on the back button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on and log on my HUAWEI, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!